So in today's video, I'll be showing you how to fix failed installation. Please reboot and restart the game. So all you have to do is just go here to the search bar, search for device manager, and then look for display adapter. Right click on your adapter and then click update driver. Search automatically for driver. Mine is already installed. If this doesn't work for you, just go here for the in Google search bar and then search for NVIDIA driver. Download the official NVIDIA driver. Just select, wait for it here, and then search for your driver here and select it. Then download it. If you have an AMD driver, just search for AMD driver, and then just download which one is best for you and is compatible for your PC. So that's all. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button for more tutorials.